You okay?
You know, it's bad enough that they're ganking people wearing our mugs. But now this? Let us drive it around in this caboodle while baby's on lockdown.
It's temporary, Dean.
Nobody puts baby in a corner.
You know that's a line from
Swayze movie. Swayze always gets a pass.
Right. Well, you want some tunes or something? Here.
What would you say if I called on you now? Said that I can't hold on.
Sorry, man.
Just leave it. It's probably gonna be the only thing on.
Easy way. It gets harder each day.